Imagine a factory floor where traditional roles are shifting. AI is not here to take your job. It's transforming how we work in engineering. Let's explore what AI will truly replace. AI won't replace engineers. Instead, it will change the tasks auxiliary to engineering. Many engineers know this deep down. Headlines may create fear. AI will eliminate millions of jobs, but the reality is quite different. The conversation surrounding AI is disconnected from reality. Most discussions occur with people outside the manufacturing world. They speak of visions from promotional videos, not real factories. Real factories face real issues like maintenance emergencies. AI's impact will vary based on this reality. I've worked over 10 years in industrial automation. I've seen how robots operate alongside humans. I understand firsthand what happens when theories meet reality. This isn't about fear, it's about clarity. AI will be disruptive, but not in the way many fear. Many engineers spend significant time on non-engineering tasks. Think about documentation, downtime tracking, and endless meetings. Often, 35 to 50% of their week is spent on this. That's not engineering, it's administration. AI can effectively streamline these burdens. AI can revamp how we manage information. In many plants, critical knowledge is often trapped within individuals like Dave, the go-to technician. When Dave is absent, production can falter. AI won't replace Dave yet, but it can help transfer his knowledge into accessible formats. Let's look closely at AI's impact. The first layer is data processing. Many facilities take hours to analyze alarm data manually. AI can process this information in seconds. This means faster and smarter responses for engineers. It doesn't replace them, but enhances their capabilities. The second layer concerns decision-making. Production schedules can be complex, but day-to-day execution often follows a predictable pattern. AI handles these routine tasks efficiently. This allows human planners to focus on unique challenges that require nuanced judgment. The third layer is visual inspection. Human inspectors face tiring hours, leading to potential errors. AI-driven vision systems can inspect objects consistently and accurately. While the role of the human inspector doesn't vanish, its nature transforms under AI's assistance. In one particular project, I observed how hidden data was abundant yet unutilized. A factory had the ability to predict downtime causes, but failed to tap into it. This situation illustrates a critical point. AI can uncover value, enhancing engineers' work rather than replacing them. The engineer who embraces AI will thrive. Those resistant to new tools may find themselves left behind. Engineers who utilize AI insights can act swiftly, ensuring they remain crucial in their roles. This creates a significant advantage. However, it's essential to recognize that not all roles will evolve positively. Certain positions, particularly those focused on repetitive manual tasks, are at risk. The question arises, how many human roles are necessary as AI becomes a powerful tool? For engineers, self-assessment is vital. Identify and document tasks that follow fixed patterns. This list becomes a roadmap for your AI integration. Embrace the real tools available. Start applying AI in your daily tasks to stay ahead. The broader narrative is shifting toward automation in manufacturing. It's not about whether it will happen, it's about who will be ready for it. AI will augment processes, but the need for human insight remains paramount. To wrap up, understand this. The factory floor still requires keen human insight. Machines can optimize processes, but only humans know when something is wrong. If you're in manufacturing or engineering, this channel is designed for you. We explore real-world applications and challenges without the hype. Subscribe now for genuine insights from the factory floor and join me in the next video.